Pizza delivery.
Why are the 2 slices missing?
Just quality control. I had to make sure it wasn't poisoned.
Twice.
Safety's really important.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name is Lauren.
And today we are making a firm favourite, pizza.
Ooh la la.
For pizza night, pizza party, pizza day, pizza evening, date night pizza, Mother's Day pizza. We do all sorts of pizza.
Yeah.
Any occasion, no matter what, we've got to love pizza.
For the pizza dough, you are going to need 650 grams of that strong white bread flour, 7 grams of dried fast action yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, 25 millilitres of olive oil, 50 millilitres of warm milk, and 325 millilitres of warm water.
Right. Woo! Start with our ingredients. Are you ready? Woohoo! Grab that. And I'll grab this. Salt, water, first thing today. Woo! That salt helps activate the yeast. Yeast. Really the honours. Woo! Right, we're gonna give that a little. Don't leave that. Guess how long? 2 hours. Nah, far from it. 30 minutes. Bit lower. 20 minutes. Playing higher, lower. 15 minutes. Getting closer. 12 minutes. Getting warmer. 10 minutes. Bingo! Only took a few attempts. Right, leave this for 10 minutes and we'll be right back. The yeast is now frothing at the mouth. We are going to pop it. Pop it into the flour. Ooh, dirty dishwater. Just that bit. Do I get the milk in? The oil in? The milk? This is where it gets messy.
Right, go on, you do this.
Oh, man.
What do you want me to do?
Go on.
Go on.
I know you want to.
I don't.
I'll get my hands messy and I'll roll the dough.
Oh, you do.
Fair enough. Make sure you leave that dough in a warm, dry place. We don't want it wet, we don't want it cold. It won't rise as quick.
Preheat your oven to 190 degrees, which is gas mark 5.
The toppings we've decided to use on our pizza today are grated mozzarella, a ball of mozzarella but cut into thin pieces, pepperoni, flame grilled chicken, and some basil passata. Ooh!
Now that your dough has doubled in size, we are going to pop it on our bench and roll it out to our desired width.
So I'll do the sprinkling.
I put on balanced apparently. Do
You
you
take
prefer
that.
a thick crust or a thin crust?
And for middle, like
I've never
in the
made a
middle.
middle crust.
Well, the middle crust, like in between thick, in between thin. Not too thick, not too thin. It's the ideal consistency.
Right.
Okay.
Get rid of that. Woo! Pop it on there.
Gonna bash it out a little bit. I'm gonna make it a little bit easier to roll out. Okay. Woo! You might keep the table still, it's gone a bit wobbly. We even lost some chicken, the mozzarella.
Well, a good day today, aren't we?
Well, a brilliant day. Wee! Do you know, I'm holding it like that and I've got the handles here.
It actually rotates that roll pin.
I can tell, honey.
That's usually what roll pins do.
usually what I just realised what you said. That was slide, wasn't it? Wee. Look at that. Wait.
Watch this. Are you ready?
No, I'm
It's
not.
what they do in the pizza shops.
No, you're not. You'll
No,
break
no,
it.
I'm not even going to take it off.
I'm not going to take it. I'm sure you're supposed to fling it in the air.
That's what you do. You jog it, I think. You're going for a takeaway job.
If I do this, maybe. Hey,
To hold it.
I mean, I will fix the hole. Right. There we go. I think that's the ideal size because it's
Perfect.
going to rise when it's in the oven.
Yeah.
So it'll be a little bit thicker. Are you ready? Pass the tray. We do.
Ooh,
Done,
good
just
size.
this. It's a lovely
Yes.
size, isn't it? Look at that.
Remember
I
that's
could not
the
roll
tray
that
I
out. Couldn't roll that out any better.
I've used it that many times.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. Maybe for the place is the gym.
Alright. Right. For that, go get me a spoon.
Big one, little one.
Big one.
Thin or thick?
They're not thick.
I could
Right.
put one in the middle.
Well, we're going to put our passata on. Woo.
Passata, tomato.
Right, we don't want too much of this because if you get too much sauce, it just leaks and it goes really like greasy.
Yeah.
Okay. We've already mixed some garlic and some basil in our sauce to give it that extra flavour. Look at that, it's got the right amount.
Or if you're lazy, you could just pop to Asda somewhere and get the mixed Italian herbs.
Yeah. Or they even sell passata with the herbs already in it.
Yeah,
If
they've got a
you're
big
extra.
range in all the supermarkets you go into if you have a good look.
Okay. That's that.
Chicken?
Next part. No, I put chicken on. I want cheese first. I want that chicken on the top.
Do we?
Yeah, so we've got sprinkly cheese first.
Sprinkly cheese, is it not just grated cheese? Or?
Sprinkly mozzarella cheese. We don't want that too thick either because we've got some more cheese to put on.
Right, tell us what to start.
Well, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to help you out.
Right? Leave that little bit in there.
I'll maybe eat later. Oh. Okay, now we want our big mozzarella. Ooh, try and even these out around the outside. Whoa, that's too far.
You can have a dinner out right where you're in the kitchen.
Look at that.
Look, she's stealing
Look at that.
big bit.
What are you doing? That goes with that bit there, look. Hey,
Didn't tell the granny how to suck eggs.
I just have.
Didn't tell Paige how to make pizza.
I didn't tell me how to make pizza.
Can I
Right.
have some or you just being greedy with that?
There you can. There you go.
I wonder if I threw this hard enough it would stick to your face.
Probably would, but
Should we try it out?
no. Just be generous with this. We want to have lots of pepperoni because it shrinks. Then we'll put that there. It looks like an empty gap.
Alright.
Alright. Then we're going to go in with some chicken. This is some flame grilled chicken. Can go in with any flavour. Quite often I like to go for the barbecue or the chicken tikka. Gives it like a lot of flavour. Right.
Beautiful.
Stunning.
Marvellous.
Tasty.
Yum.
Crunchy.
Pizza.
Tasty. Right. That is our beautiful pizza and we're going to pop that into our oven for roughly, I would say about 15 minutes. It just depends how
Not long because
yeah.
the dough's so thin at the bottom it won't take too
Yeah.
long to cook.
So you can see when it's done because it'll go brown around the edges, you know, your cheese is melted, it goes bubbly, lush.
Pretty self-explanatory.
Let's pop it in.
The cheese on this pizza is starting to crisp up. It's ready. Ooh, be careful, hot. Check that. We have acquired the goods from that oven and I cannot wait to try it.
Same here.
So, if I show you, take a closer look. It's not it's you singing you in the background. That dough is cooked to perfection.
Right, let's
Are we
give
ready to
these
tuck in?
sexy
Ching
triangles
ching.
a try.
Oh, sexy triangles, all right. Are you ready?
Delicious.
Oh, it's just so lovely.
Can't go wrong with pizza. Imagine like just sitting with your friends, Newcastle match on the telly, homemade pizza.
Oh yes, that's exactly how you want it. I want a bit of the crust.
I'm delighted. Absolutely.
I can officially say today I'm going away a happy girl.
Right.
Oh, lush.
Scale of 1 to 10?
Or 10.
10.
Everything's a 10 in my
Yeah.
books.
10. Agree with that.
Right.
Perfect.
And that's it for 2 Smart Cookies. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a comment down below. Give us a share. And remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you can see what comes next.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye.